All right, it's a little after 5 a.m. here in Chicago. Sun's coming up, the birds are chirping. We're about to kick off this trading day. Big day on Wall Street yesterday. 500-point rally in the Dow. Made back half the losses that we had last week. Just shy of a 3% rally yesterday. So strong move in the markets. And I told you, I know it's a holiday week, and we're all excited about having Friday off and getting after it this weekend. But there's going to be some movement in the markets as we've got a lot shaking right now, and today is going to be no different. So today, 12:30 Eastern Time, Fed Chairman Powell, Treasury Secretary Mnuchin are testifying before the House. Now, what they're going to talk about is the prospects of an economic recovery and what that could look like for GDP. But I would imagine they're also going to talk about some of the fear that's crept its way back in, how coronavirus cases are ticking upward. We're seeing states like Florida and Texas and California closing back down and placing more restrictions on. I would imagine they're going to talk a little bit about that and how this recovery is going to be long and it's going to be hard. And that could get these markets moving, especially when you look over at that currency market. So right now, heading into that, markets are pretty quiet. So we're not seeing a lot of movement this morning as of yet. Currencies seeing some strength in the dollar heading into the open today. So weakness in the euro, weakness in the British pound, weakness in the Aussie. Oil's off a touch, but yesterday we made our way back just shy of $40 a barrel in WTI. And take a look at gold. Gold has had a heck of a run this quarter. This would be the best quarter for gold in 4 years. So back to 2016, I believe. So a strong move in gold, 12% move to the upside. So it's gonna be another fun day. Everybody strap in, let's get after it. I'll check in with you folks again tomorrow. Check in with us on Facebook and Twitter. We'll keep you updated on breaking news today. Stay safe, stay healthy. Take care, folks.